Hello friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another pre-plan with me in my memory planner. For memory planning, I use the Aura Estelle weekly vertical inserts in my Aura Estelle X SPC Blossom Planner in the Alice colorway. I'm just starting with this kit from Simply MS called Miss Granger. It's part of the Miss Granger collection. I just thought I loved the magical theme, and the colors were really pretty, very nice neutrals and pinks. I am just starting the spread. I'll just be laying down the base with you all today. Starting with the sidebar, I put down the weekly box on the bottom, my quote box on the top, and then the Hermione box in the middle with a bill due to sort of split those up a little bit. I added the This Week header underneath with the 3 habit trackers, and then across the top to cover up those sort of peach colored headers, I'm adding in lighter peach colored headers, the Today script headers that came with the kit. I did also purchase the glitter header add-on, one color of which I will be incorporating into this base. I'm beginning to sprinkle my full boxes around. Sorry if you can see my hair poking into the shot a little bit. I had just washed it, so it was air drying. And then for my second line of headers, second row of headers, I'm just using the nude colored to-do script headers and on the top of the middle row, and then the brown faux glitter headers on the top of the third row. I added in another full box on the bottom of Tuesday. I'm just alternating my full boxes at the top and bottom of each column. That seems to work well for my memory spreads. I'm thinking about changing it up a little bit, but I haven't taken the plunge just yet. Finishing up with the bottom row of full boxes and brown faux glitter headers, adding in another full box to the top of Friday with a to-do header underneath, and then I'm just finishing up that row of nude to-do headers across the middle of the spread with my last 2 faux glitter headers on the bottom. And then I started pulling in the checklist flags underneath each of the to-do headers. I alternated the colors of these just to break up the spread a little bit. I don't usually use the checklist flags, but I thought that they worked well with the spread and I didn't really know where else I would use them, so I just alternated the colors and I thought that it looked good across the middle of the spread. I think I had one left over, but that's fine. I'm just going to toss that. The next step is to pull in the bottom washi. I'm just lining that up with the bottoms of the full boxes that are on the bottom row there. This kit had just a single strip of bottom washi, which I find helpful. Then I'm lining up my weekend banner at the bottom of the Saturday and Sunday columns over the bottom washi. Helps me to flip the page upside down to make sure that the weekend banner is evenly positioned across the bottom of the 2 days. Then I'm just pulling out the functional items, fancy boxes, quarter rounded boxes, and half rounded boxes that I want to sprinkle throughout the remaining thirds of each day, as well as the patterned flags that you can see me putting in here and patterned washi strips in the remaining spaces throughout the spread. In a minute, and then the solid flags that also came with the spread as well. They're a little bit smaller. And then I had 2 more spaces to fill in, so I just pulled in 2 of the appointment labels to fill in those spaces. One of the appointment labels in the brown color, and then the last rounded half box. Then I'm just sprinkling in some of these script icons into a couple different places on the spread, adding in some of the deco pieces in my checklist flag sections. And then I'm sprinkling the larger deco across the top of the spread. This is an easy way to spruce up the top section of your spread, especially when there aren't date covers in the kit, as is the case with this one. I got that idea from Taylor of Tattoo Teacher Plans. I've seen her do that before, especially when she chooses not to use date covers or when date covers do not come with a spread. The last little bits of deco in this kit are the little colored dots. I'm just sprinkling those in between the deco pieces across the top to finish things out. And then for date dots this week, I'm just pulling in the next week's set from a recent Wendy Prince spread and just using my Revlon tweezers, same ones that I've always used, to insert those date dots into the spread. I thought they matched pretty well with the blush tones of this kit. And that is pretty much it. I really hope that you enjoy this quick pre-plan, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace, love, and happy planning, everyone. Bye-bye.